Welcome, Agile friends. My name is Pete Oliver Kruger. I'm here with Michael Dougherty, and we are hosting this session with our amazing speaker, Nicole Spence-Goon. Now, there are many great sessions to explore in the Agile Online Summit for 2024 that we don't want you to miss. For example, we've got Joanna Plaskanka, who will be talking about how to improve our interactions and enhance problem skills through action learning. We'll have Tara Scott talking about guts and guile as a leader. And how to be basically a people-first kind of leader and leave the kind of legacy that you want to be proud of. Then we'll also have Sarah Ann Clark, who's going to be talking about how to turn conflicts into connections. And all of that is just on this shift from product to people track. So there's many more great presentations out there as well.
But our current speaker is going to tell us about how to build innovative teams and develop a generative organizational culture. Welcome, Nicole.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Pete, for having me. I'm so excited to be here and join you in this conference.
We are excited to have you as well. How about we start off by you just telling us a little bit about yourself?
All righty. Well, I heard my name, Nicole Spence-Goon. I work as an Agile coach at Excella. I've been working there with some awesome teams. We've been doing great work solving big tech problems for our clients and helping them evolve the way they work. I've been in the IT and software development area for over 25 years. Let's not get into specific numbers. And about 15 years ago, I entered the world of Agile and became part of this great community. So in that community, I love being an organizer for DC Women in Agile, where we get to amplify women's voices and connect to the larger International Women in Agile organization. And I'm also excited to be a core team member of the Agile in Color organization, where we provide learning opportunities for Black and people of color Agilists to boost their visibility and to connect them with growth opportunities. So doing a few things.
A few things. It sounds like you're tremendously active within the community. That's awesome, Nicole. So one of the other things it sounds like you're tremendously active with is building generative cultures. And I would love to hear your elevator pitch describing what is a generative culture.
So the term generative organizational culture actually comes from DORA, which is DevOps Research and Assessment. And they have done tons of research, and it sees an organizational culture that is high trust and emphasizes information flow, which I think about transparency. So it's really about offering the benefits of increased software development delivery performance and really helping with organizational performance overall. So that's the quick version of generative organizational culture.
All right. So what does that do for us? So why do we want to have a generative culture? Or another way that I might ask this is, how would I be able to recognize if I was in a non-generative culture, or I was in a place where that really needs this type of approach?
So what you would normally see if people don't have this kind of culture, or what some people think about is psychological safety. Um, as an individual, you would generally be reluctant or scared in your team of saying something or asking something that might make you look bad. Or, you might just want to fit in and just go along with the status quo when really something bad is brewing and you really should say something. Or, this kind of space also tends to squash your creativity. You don't want to be unique. You're just trying to, keep the waters calm and not upset anybody. And for a whole team, it's a tense environment because usually you'll have some people who are louder than others. And so the quiet ones, just to keep things smooth, will go along with it. Um, but that can create a space where the